Because Troy's grooming appointment isn't for another month, and we don't think he can make it that long, he pretty much can't see. So we're going to try to give him a mom bang cut just to get him through until he gets to see his groomer. Okay, first thing we're going to do is comb his bangs forward so we can get a good cut. Oh, look at that. Troy really needs this. So we've got a pair of scissors that have a ball at the tip so that we don't stick him with it. And okay, come here. Come a little closer. We are going to just clip, 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 clip. In an angle around the shape of his eyes. Clip. And make sure we don't get these beautiful eyelashes. Just to give him a little face, and then in between and then clip down, clip it down in here, and clip down here as well, and clip some more, clean up around in here, clean up. Oh, Troy, can't lie down. Now look, Troy's a lap dog. Okay, we'll see what we can do with him lying on my lap. Okay, we clip some of this. And this. We'll clean up a little between his eyes. Okay. Okay. So that was not so bad. Look. Come. Look, Troy. We're just going to do the top a little bit. A little bit of the top. We'll just cut down in some sharp angles so it doesn't look too obvious. I'm totally covered in Troy here. Maybe wear a t-shirt when you're doing this so it'll come off easier. Okay, so let's see. Come on, sit up. Up, 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 up. So let's see. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Think that's good? You can see? Okay. It does the job. It does the job. He can see. It's not perfect, but he can survive for another month until we get to see your groomer. Okay? Yes, we're handsome boy. We're handsome boy. We're handsome. Don't forget to like or subscribe to see more from Troy. Also, feel free to comment or ask us anything.